We understand this to be the roof that gives us access to the clean room. We believe might be the room where they make parts for the F-35 fighter jets. So we believe that if we can contaminate this room, that we can put this factory out of action for up to 12 months. Intervene in them slaughtering Palestinian, Lebanese and Syrian civilians. And so that is why we're here today. Don't be scared.
Every people is the promised people. Every people is the promised people. Every land is the holy land. Every land is the holy land.
From Africa to Palestine, the sunlight will shine. Oh my comrade, big up, live up yourself in mind. From Africa to Palestine, the sunlight will shine. Oh my comrade, big up, live up yourself in mind. We say to Babylon, we